Hello friends, myself Harish Paladia, and today's job update is regarding the National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI. It comes under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Okay, the posts are only for the civil engineering branch. So if other engineering branch are watching this video, so they need not to go further, they can sign out. Okay, so it's only for civil engineering and it is through GATE 2020. And the name of the post is deputy manager, and grade pay is 5,400. Okay, now the name of the post is deputy manager technical, and the total number of posts are for unreserved it is 20, for SC 06, for ST 04, for OBC 15, and for EWS it is 03. Okay, so total number of posts are 48. And the details of eligibility conditions are like this. The age limit is 30 years of age, education qualification is degree in civil engineering, and it's a direct recruitment on the basis of valid graduate aptitude test in engineering, that is GATE 2020. Okay, it is direct recruitment on the basis of GATE 2020, that is only in civil engineering discipline. Okay, and the age limit will be calculated on the closing date of the advertisement, and it should not be more than 30 years of age. Okay, but as I told you earlier that it is direct recruitment, but the final process, selection process, will be decided later on by NHAI. That it is clearly mentioned here that NHAI reserves the right to invite candidate for interview as per cutoff for respective categories, subsequently to be decided by NHAI. Okay, it can be direct interview and it can be direct selection also. Okay, so it totally depends upon the number of the application they received. Okay, like here, if applications being large, NHAI will adopt shortlisting criteria to restrict the number of candidates for interaction interview if called. Okay, if called only, to a reasonable number by any method to be decided by the selection committee. Okay, now the how to apply. This is the official website of NHAI, www.nhai.org, and these are the few details, and you can go through all these things because I will provide the PDF of this link in my description box. Okay, and this is the last date of submission of this form. The application form online may be submitted by 15/6/2020. Okay, and this is also the date by which you must be not more than 30 years of age. Okay, and anything important is like there is a small note here. It may be noted that in case of multiple application, if in case you file multiple application, then the latest one will be considered, not the previous one. Okay, all the application will be rejected, only the latest one will be considered. Okay, that's one important thing mentioned here by the NHAI, and that's all regarding this notification by the NHAI for the post of deputy manager and Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. It comes under this, and it is through GATE 2020. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.